Hello. Welcome back to another edition of The Phantom Does Math. Now, this is the next question that we're going to be doing. E to the power of minus 3x minus 2x divided by e to the power of minus 3x plus 2x. How do you solve this question? Well, what do we have to remember, guys? The quotient rule, exactly. So, gf prime minus fg prime divided by g squared. This is gonna I have to close the window there, guys. Too much noise. Now, this is gonna form the basis for how we answer this question here. How do we do this? So first we need to identify what f is, what g is, and then we have to identify what f prime is. Then we have to identify what g prime is. F prime means just a derivative of f. G prime means derivative of g. Now f is going to be the value on the top is f, and the value on the bottom of the fraction is the denominator is g. Now f equals e to the power of minus 3x minus 2x. G equals e to the power of minus 3x plus 2x. F prime is equal to, well, a lot of people don't know this, but how do you differentiate a value like e to the power of minus 3x? What's the derivative of e to the power of minus 3x? Well, it's pretty simple. You just do e to the power of minus 3x times minus 3. Why? Why do you multiply by minus 3? Because you have to find the derivative of the power, and then you multiply by the derivative of that, which is minus 3. So then the value is going to become minus 3e to the power of minus 3x. That's the answer for that specific value. So now that we found the answer for that specific value, minus 3e to the power of minus 3x, what's the derivative of minus 2x? Minus 2. That follows the equation. Now g, e to the power of minus 3x, we've just done that. We can just copy it. 2x, that just becomes plus 2. Now, we've already basically done the question. We just have to plug these values back into the quotient rule, and then we're pretty much finished, unless you guys want to combine like terms, factorize, or simplify. But let's just do that first. So g is e to the power of minus 3x plus 2x multiplied by f prime, which is minus 3e to the power of minus 3x minus 2 minus f, which is e to the power of minus 3x minus 2x, and then g prime is just here, minus 3e to the power of minus 3x plus 2, and then g prime, hold on, f. Check our answers if we are correct. Yes, we are good. Now divided by g squared, and g is just this value here, e to the power of minus 3x plus 2x to the power of 2. Now that we're done, It's over. This is the value to the question. This is the answer. I hope you guys got the same answer as me. It was very simple. There wasn't really much of a combination of the chain rule or the power rule to do this. Now there's another question that I want to do, which is the chain rule.